everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Aliyah if you don't already know, and today I'll be showing you 7 of my top easiest hairstyles that I wear every day. They look pretty similar, but they're a little bit different, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and let's get into the video. Okay, so this first hairstyle is going to be a side slick back side ponytail. So I'm parting my hair on the side and then just going to comb it out with the brush. Make sure there's no lumps or bumps. So now I'm just going to put my hair in a ponytail really fast and quick just to smooth down the front part of my hair with a brush and put some gel on it. I will be using Eco Gel and Got to Be Ultra Glued in the black tube, and I'm going to use that to set basically the front part of my hair, make sure it stays slick and nice and hard. I've also learned, you guys, so I'm just gonna throw that out there, that because I use water-based gels, my hair gets the waves, obviously, and if you don't want to have the waves in your hair, you're supposed to use like a wax gel or just a wax edge control. I guess you can use that to keep it smooth and nice and smooth without the waves, which I usually have waves and I don't really mind. But this is the first hairstyle, a side slick back ponytail. So this second hairstyle is basically the first hairstyle, but in a bun. But I don't do a bun, normal bun. I do it where I put my hair through the hair tie halfway through, and then I keep it in that type of bun. And this is my go-to hairstyle, my everyday hairstyle. Like if you catch me on the streets, I'll be wearing this hairstyle most likely. So this is like my top #1 hairstyle. So this third hairstyle is just like the first and the second. It's the same bun. I put my hair through the hair tie 2 times. On the third time, I put it halfway through into that bun, and it's just a higher up bun with the side part slicked back. Style number 4 is just gonna be basically, I'm gonna pull all my hair back into a not super high ponytail, but like an average ponytail, a high ponytail. I guess you could say it's a high ponytail, but it's not that high to me. So basically a high ponytail, just not super high. So this next hairstyle is going to be number 5. I'm just going to split my hair in the front down the middle and braid on each side of my head just to frame my face, and then braid it back into a bun. Honestly, if you really wanted to, you can just do the 2 braids and pull it back into a ponytail just like this, and that'd be fine as well. So that could be number 8 to the hairstyles list. Now this next one, number 6, is basically the same thing, but I'm gonna have the 2 braids like parted on the side. So I'm gonna have one shorter braid and one longer braid. So I'm gonna show you right here. Honestly, all of these hairstyles are basically the same thing, just slightly different. But I'm telling y'all, I wear the same hairstyle almost every day. Basically the same hairstyle. If you look at these hairstyles, they're basically the same, and these are what I wear every day, especially that slick back bun. That's my signature, and these 2 braids coming up. So hairstyle number 7 is obviously the 2 braids. I just split my hair down the middle and do 2 braids, and I can do this on myself. If y'all want a tutorial, I will try. I cannot do more than 2 braids on my head though, but yeah, this one's also one of my favorites. Alright guys, thank y'all for watching this video. As you can see, this is kind of longer than this side. I blow dried this side, but I didn't this side because I'm running out of time. But please excuse how I look in the last clip and right now. Y'all, I thought 2020 was gonna be bright. It still can be bright, but right now I keep relapsing. I keep making progress only to fall back down again. So give this video a like, subscribe, comment. Please excuse this dirty room. My room's always dirty. This is not my room. I'm back in Montgomery. I don't like Montgomery, y'all. I hate Montgomery. Anyways, this outro is really long. Whatever. See y'all next time, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notification. Bye.